Hello everybody, this is Rocky with CarTexOnline.com. I'm working on a 2011 Toyota Prius, replacing the window regulator motor on this driver's door. The issue I was having was that after I installed it, I rolled the window up automatic and it went to the top and went back down halfway. Now to solve this issue, you'd roll the window all the way down, and then when it's at the bottom, press the down button, hold it for 5 seconds, and you actually could hear a click in here. I think that's the motor resetting. And then when you roll it up, all the way up, after it hits the top, pull back up on the switch in the up position, hold that for 5 seconds, and you should be good. This is Rocky with CarTexOnline.com. Thank you.